Food every day is good.
Stars shining bright.
The person who inspired me is my mom. For a while, my mother, she has been through me with everything.
You spilled all over me. Lovers spit left on repeat.
No, Nani says it's not okay.
My mom and dad let me stay home. It drives you crazy getting old. We can talk it so good, we can make it so divine. We can talk it good, how you wish it would be all the time. The drink you spill all over me, lovers spit left on repeat. Mom and dad let me stay home, it drives you crazy getting home. The drink you spill all over me, lovers spit left on repeat. Mom and dad let me stay home, it drives you crazy getting home. I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure.
Women,
what I was made for.
they have minds, and they have soul, as well as just hearts. And they've got ambition, and they've got talent, as well as just beauty. And I'm so sick of people saying that love is just all a woman's fickle. I'm so sick of it.
ज्यादा इज्जत है हमारे पास, पूछो कैसे? आपकी इज्जत एक बार गई तो गई, हम तो रोज रात को इज्जत बेचते हैं, सारी खत्म ही नहीं.
Even still today, an auto guy or a cab guy, the minute they see it's a woman driver, they can cut past, go past me, and then they'll look at me like, oh, you're a woman, right? And most agencies have seen women is only made for kitchen. Women is only made to grow the kids. She has no other life. Only she has to look after the family. And when she got married, her life changed 360 degrees. She's not working. She was working in her husband's house, so she's not even that pretty.
You're supposed to stay pretty for men, but not so pretty that you tempt them too much or that you threaten other women, because you're supposed to be a part of the sisterhood. But always stand out and always be grateful. But never forget that the system is rigged, so find a way to acknowledge that, but also always be grateful.
A man does something, it's strategic. A woman does the same thing, it's calculated. A man is allowed to react, a woman can only overreact.
I would be complex, I would be cool.
If I was a man, of course I'd be the alpha type. I'd be a fearless one. Would break the stereotype of them creating beauty standards for women. They feel women should have this kind of a body type, that kind of a body type. If a woman is a little healthy, they feel that no, she's fat. If a woman is little slim, they think no, she's unhealthy. So we need to break that stereotype and say woman is happy in her body.
I don't want to cook. I don't want to cook and bring the food to the table. And I want men to cook for me and give me.
Go on a late night walk alone and come back home.
My message to the dads and dads out there would probably be to treat every woman just as you would treat your mother or sister, because they're some person's daughter or mother or sister or girlfriend or wife. So just as you would treat your own mother, sister, daughter, or wife, treat them the same way, because every woman deserves to be treated respectfully and not as if they are a toy in this world of patriarchy. Thank you.
Wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man. You know that